Hello, this is Professor Neshaba, and I'm here to help you out with step one of the in-class activities, which, if you like, you can get started on before our sessions, or you can do it during our sessions. So the first in-class activity is finding the bond energy of the covalent bond in the H2 molecule, and the relevant equation is equation 5. So let me just take you up to equation 5 here. So the bond energy, what we're going to do is take the energy of two hydrogen atoms and subtract away the energy of one hydrogen molecule. So, and we are going to do that at what is called the B3 lip calculation level in Spartan. And so let me just go over to Spartan here. And how are you going to do that? You're going to take a hydrogen, and I've already selected there, and there's hydrogen. Now in this case, because I don't want H2 and this default to another one, I have to go to this delete icon here, and now I've got a single hydrogen atom. And now you can go to the calculation icon, and we want to do this at the B3 lip level. And the other sort of tricky thing is that hydrogen, a lone hydrogen atom, has one unpaired electron, so we have to select that. And I'm just going to call that a hydrogen atom and get going on that. And hopefully that'll be done shortly. And as it calculates away, now it's done, so the analysis is completed. And to get the information that we want out of that, I go to this spreadsheet here, and there's an add item here, and what I want is this E for energy. And there it is. That's the number that we want, minus 1313, and it's in kilojoules per mole. So that is the first number that appears here in equation 5. Of course, we'll want to multiply that by 2 because we have two hydrogen atoms. Now we're going to do the same thing with the hydrogen molecule, and I'm going to just click over here, and now that's two hydrogens, so I can just go ahead with that. But of course, I still want it at the B3 lip level. And there are no unpaired electrons because H2 has two electrons. And I'll just call that H2. And now it's submitted, and hopefully that'll get done in just a moment as it calculates away. Okay, fine. Now, of course, you might want imagine that's the same thing. What we're going to do is go over to this spreadsheet and say add the energy, and say OK. And now that's the energy, minus 3086 that we want for the hydrogen 2 for H2. And if you go back to here, that's that number that will get subtracted from that first number that we calculated times 2. And so that is, there we go. That's step one of the in-class activities that will give you the bond energy of the covalent bond in H2.